So this junction here is where we've got 4 conductor systems coming into one spot. So we've got 2 inch-over-inch systems, an 1.25" system, and a 2-inch system. So we're coming into a 3/3 to bring all those together. So here we put the 2-inch into a reducing coupling and heated well, clamped well. We've got triple clamps on the 3-inch pipe. Then an 1.25" system that's coming in on the T, and then 2 inch-over-inch systems coming in on the T. Then the 3-inch takes all this sat direct to the sugar house. At this spot, there's 17,000 tacks coming together into this 3-inch network. Even on the 3-inch, you notice we have tension grips on there to hold tension on the pipe. So this pipe looks nice and straight down through. No sags and loops and curlicues and so on. And tension is the key. Lots of posts on this pipe. This is going to be pretty heavy. This 3-inch pipe, when it's full of liquid, is going to weigh 8 pounds per foot. So you need a lot of support, a lot of posts and heavy cable to hold it up. Pulling wire and pipe and cable through the woods, I like to have both hands free so that I can watch my sight level, I can elevate things, I can get brush out of my way. So this tow harness that we've devised works really good. It's adjustable in size. My size is kind of on the petite size. Some of the guys need to let out a link, but just hook the wire or cable on this hook and put it behind you, straight ahead, and away you go. When we anchor wires for main lines, we anchor to trees. But when it comes to really big cable, we anchor that to rock here. Fortunately, we have lots of rock. This is a medium-sized cable, 1/4 inch, actually aircraft cable that we never use. This was kind of a mistake in ordering, but it's here. So we use a hammer drill, drill into rock or ledge, and there's a special epoxy that we use to lock a bolt into that rock. And then these hooks are something that we derived from our dairy farm. It's a Pat's Gutter Cleaner link, and if you ever owned a gutter cleaner, you know you're always taking out links. So my brother still has the farm. We use those, we anchor to that. A rock this size can accommodate 2 cables. You'd be surprised we can't put much more than 2 cables on a rock this size. It will start to move. So the cables are put in really high tensile, and for our big pipes we're using 3/8 high tensile cable, strand cable, and huge amount of tension on those.